okayfm 101.7.
Ladies and gentlemen, today our guest artist, our guest star on Bless the Mic MTN Thursday Live is no other but the guy who comes with the name that the ladies love. The guy who can turn like your ice cream and make you melt on your heart like a chocolate mixed with honey. VANILLA is Vanilla.
Thank you. Uncle Abeku, thank you.
God bless you.
Use this opportunity to welcome everybody onto the show.
Janko.
Shout out to House Entertainment. Safoa band in the building. Hey, Safoa, are you ready? Alright. Yeah. Daddy. So bien kuma je. Otoa unim. Makuma down sem kosia. Now they're at Makuma is so be back to me asena. Mama kuma mpakaye. Meso so much on the video. Sanke come who be back. Shame bose. Be o baby me say. Muti come di chinye. Some may be dangerous. Some may be dangerous. Some guys are dangerous. Some guys are dangerous. Some may be dangerous. Some may be dangerous. Some guys are dangerous. Some guys are dangerous. Some guys are dangerous. Some guys are dangerous. Man, you to me, you try to. Ekwanso Dwoodwoo. Yeah, mama. Some guys are dangerous. Man, you to me, you try to. So, yes, I'm yours. And man, you so. Yes, I'm yours. Alright, Vanilla, Mama so. I am the minimum case and man, yes, we are near the to also sana sona and then man, yes, we are so said your secret sana bohati. My love, my baby, Jenny Bass. Ha, I call you Bass any day, any time. Now you make me feel alright. Shout out to you, my sweetheart. BEYS. Love you, baby. Yo, this is your Thursday MTN Live. Coming to you from OK101.7. Shout out to my pretty sister. Yo, I keep what impression. So then we're talking about ish. Yes, it's a brand. Now you love it. Turn the mood and turn the vibe and turn the atmosphere in your room. Get your missile. Ha, mommy, when you're there. So me move. Shout out to Koma Danga Muhammad. Rich Kwame Despite. To you, Ajua Roberta, Elizabeth Casey, Kwame Say, where is Akibo? Akibo to Waha. Oh, Waha, Yedina Fra, Tekwete Albert. It's Vanilla on the MRC. Emergency bell, they put on the man, and said, hey, no,
okayfm 101.7. Safoa band in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Alongside your boy Vanilla. What's it ain't?
Utie MTN Thursday live on OK 101.7 FM. Said the midi can kairo. Bema your friend Vanilla. Mumba Milo. Bema your friend Vanilla. Na Bema so the Vanilla. Na say adie bi fata no ana fata ni din. Otene nene kura chiro sampa abranti wode. High life for the end the chin janabia. High life wa mu amutie. High life yi wo mu radio mu e wo ma fie mu ne mo kwankwa nu ase na etimo sen. Enu mu da ho. Ena high life mu so no Safoa ban so bo a wo bo ma ne ye de. Eti yebeda MTN kwase pa. Said the weather ni tie sesi ano enye danso ene yebo. Me ka kire mo etiefo ye wo nsu top brem ensu oto. This is not the time why you tie danso. Endra na me tie CTFM anadwo no mo boku romantic song. Me ye software kaka krabi kama hwiase. Software pow. Hwe omo boss selling di on Phil Collins no. Na me wife ada e kaka krabi software nka me hwiase. Eti kusu de that time radio station bia munsua okayfm. This is the time when some we high life on you and then I'm bobo. What do you say? Now Vanilla and then ye dinner ba MTN Thursday live. Na abusia for Vanilla abrantie bia nenyum to sronko. Oye gifted vocalist. Abrantie anene dese oba. Abrantie anene dese bema. Abrantie anene dese oba ne bema. Sa abrantie wo tro no ankasa no nyum. Ade nyum no ntumi nye. High life ni afrobeat we ni nyina. Oye Ghana high life duntuni a me gini se won e de Ghana ebeko Grammy. Vanilla Oko University of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology ekosua geometric engineering now so esanse enwom ye akyede anyankopon de ama ne ntino wo de engineering na to ena ode enwom eye engineering e won krofo akomam enti ene ode ne nwom foforo aba na mamene ne ntwetwe won komo kakra Vani
Uncle.
Na Bema Vanilla de nature say we did have de be kind oko a mentor, right?
Yeah.
Oko mentor. Una na ma me pet mentor musizin ba uni ne de pa ba voti na mwa
me find out there na enyankolam
eska aneska for no almost sponsor and crowd finance omo tell winning so I am shine wahwa omo winning omo shine say iska enom de pia na judges no so omo ye bias ba ye me feel you o voice here de pa yes so the fufuro bi aba your friend is saying sikilite
tele
eye forest for na yes anwom no but eno no na ye high life and hip life
hip life
it why is sikilite no
me no afro hip life
why an afro hip life forest for nanka egu inti ye say wakofa sa anwom bi
shouts to me Godfather about Captain Planet.
Okay,
oh, bra, obenya semu. Forest for na Captain Planet ko adia. Coded in so. Okay, shout out to Coded fruit juice who was painted through. Shout out to you. We am G ba ko pe. Okay, siklite. Ade na ma siklite nyum ibai.
Siklite nyum no angasa. Okay, first of all, siklite means toffee.
Toffee
in Ghana, yeah.
In Ghana.
Yeah.
Na wankasa we enkrani.
Me mama enkrani.
Na papa e dey ni.
Kwuni.
Kwawuni.
Oh,
okay. Enkrafo so de omota ware kwafo na akuapemfo. Fapa.
It's actually the vanilla. So
vanilla.
Vanny sings.
It's anya duane vanilla. Vanilla, Vanny tonyum.
Yeah.
Vanny tonyum. Vanilla. Oh. Amela kami. Yake vanilla. Ice cream vanilla. Oh,
and also say she.
Okay, vanilla, vanitonium. Yeah. All right, Vanny Yanko, lift us up one now. It's MTN. Bless the mic. Vanilla. Safoa live on your radio. This is OKFM. Sickly duck. All right, my man Kasa Kakra. Shout out to Safoa band. Safoa band, Mianka Same banda. Many of my Juma close to 7 to 8 years, and as the banda, Medema the late Ebony, Ebony, Elanche, ne carrier, Omone banda, Mede Elanche. And the rest is history. They've been super amazing band supporting all the
okayfm.
They are also the resident band on UTV United Showbiz. You know, I said what I say. Obia here Safoa because uni Safoa obeyira, uni Safoa obechero. Safoa ye dibie dan Safoa, esansu dibie kwan Safoa ye die bibia. To big out to a Safoa band. Vanilla. Udia kasa den.
Achomedi Angasane Evans Kwesi Buedi Boating.
Evans Kwesi Buedi Boating. Nanka enkrani de enka aduane and now the yenuma ankeye. But me also open love.
Basically ten a toffee man.
A toffee. A aduane, but you know what is the inspiration behind the Sickly Tenor?
Sickly Tenor is a song about an ex.
Your ex?
Yeah.
Tell me more. Oh God!
Yeah,
what happened? Yeah. So you want your ex back?
Yes.
Oh, but DJ Youngboy, Maminya,
okayfm. 1 0.
What is it with your ex?
So it got to a point where naturally sometimes everybody is finding themselves. So when both of you are in that space, there's a bit of friction. So what happened actually was we went our separate ways peacefully, amicably.
Yeah.
But then earlier this year we met and
again.
Yes, and
not on worry.
No, be as on sheho.
And I want so worry.
And
okay.
Me no. Send na minim so then we have but as I say I know e be as like holistically no body na am of any bibia no nti the old feelings no
assigned by
yes
assigned by please let me see your hands up if you mix your ex what may say o ex amami hu what makes you ex amami hu ma memfa special birthday dedication
okayfm 101.7
me boss and that 24th June your birthday Mrs. Anna Adade. Mrs. Anna Adade, you are the beautiful wife of my boss, my senior, my prefect at Ghana National College, now works with ADB, senior Edward Adade. Or say ene birthday. Tipacho Obama me happy birthday and yumna mediama me senior Mr. Edward Adade of ADB Bank, your wife, Mrs. Anna Adade, happy glorious birthday to you, and from your husband. He really appreciate and love you. Na onyankopon inshraw na onbo ho bai, and for the love that you've shown him, odanyankopon asema. May God continue to protect, bless, and prosper your marriage and also your family.
okayfm 101.7.
Nesia also says that mommy will love you. Your beautiful daughters, Nesia and Zoe, says that mommy, happy birthday to you. So from my boss, my senior, former prefect of Ghana National College, now works with ADB, Mr. Edward Adade, to your beautiful wife, Mrs. Anna Adade, happy birthday to you. And from Godwin Dogbe, my producer, to your sweetheart. And then any first day I may come will be who said Godwin Dogbe is not single. Godwin Dogbe is seeing a lady who is also in the media, and said in concerning Lebene Eware no, we are expecting a marriage ceremony between Godwin Dogbe and Ohima Bonsu. Ohima Bonsu. And then Ohima Bonsu birthday. Enti Father Dixon doc, baby I will be an can who say obey wedding, obeboka. Kappa because onananum ena ebeye wedding Godwin Dobe and Ohima Bonsu and Ohima Bonsu birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ohima Bonsu. Enti Vanilla.
Uncle.
So where can we find your songs? Onyumweng, are you on the digital stores?
Yes, digital stores.
And you saying the woho?
Under this current name came with a new management.
Okay.
Yes. Before I'm used to Medina Evans.
No.
Yes. So under this name, I have just Siklite now.
Siklite.
Yes. And
okay. But do you have a video?
It's soon to come out.
Soon to come.
Yes.
So we can consume Siklite, the new Afrobeat. Is sensational. Vanilla.
Yes,
On the digital stores.
Yeah.
To bought Vanilla is VANILLE. VANILLE. Onye oba oyebema. Vanilla. Oko eye digital stores. Now be nenumwe de papa. Ed se esichiri any a war. Odi afra chocolate. About the pub. Okay, good. Your social media handles?
Yes.
OKFM 101.7.
Vanilla Music.
Music name MUZIK
underscore.
Yes.
Okay, then
and on Instagram it's just Vanilla Music, the same MUZIK, but there's no underscore. Yeah.
All right. Obi percent because the way out to me covers copyright, you know. Yeah. So be here for birthday event to be a number Ben obi to me a friend.
But your management number.
Yeah.
I'll put one out there.
Okay.
0246.
0246.
Yeah. 020.
020.
874.
Yeah. Vanilla artist because wako music reality show to me bo bia nwo to me bo genesis bia obetumi ato gospel asan to high life ato afrobeat ato afro pop dancehall
yeah.
Obetumi a dancer. And you know, we hear artists on a band bar a complete self-contained. Obetumi a BBM my friend 0246 020 876 0246 020 874. My birthday shout out to Nona Yemfama Ohima Bonsu and Mrs. Adade Anna Adade. All right.
Okay. Remember to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Mrs. Anna Atati. Happy birthday, Sister Dogbe. Ohima Bonsu. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you now. 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 We wish you long life. We wish you long life. Sudogbe to you, Mrs. Anna Adadi. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, honey, bote me feel happy birthday to you. Ohima Bonsu, we are Bonsu. Aka we yam na menda sedi anyuna emenda Bonsu yam 3 days. Ha wo fi menu, e di fi wenu mo de me meto ho no ko na ha e na manja akoma. Oba, woni ma hia, woni ma najo ensana le. So no so we move boko so we do it to so I hope can ko Ohima Bonsu. Me say fa me to yam to sadi wo di jona to yam vie me ansa na wo de me aba me de wasie wo makoma mu Bonsu wo me hang manajo kanea wo de ma de nyina. Happy birthday to you from God in Dogbe.
God bless.
Yes. And may God bless you. May God bless you now. May God bless you now. Happy birthday, come on, Mrs. Another day. Hey, me say, one my me anane. I sometimes me yadia, what come home? Me drink and I'm to meet it. Me say, Mrs. Another day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you. Abusia for ha and a day and a human day to be seen Yankupon in Shiramo.
OKFM 101.7.